You gonna join me for the harvest? Let's go. I love how all the animals just join me in the garden and they keep me company, but I do have to create barriers for them. Hi little rooster. These blueberries are still going, they're almost done. This makes me really excited in the next couple years when they get more bigger. The ever-bearing strawberries are making another harvest, look at that. Tomatoes are starting to change color overnight. Oh, I spot a strawberry. Nice. So this variety, Quinault, is supposed to make 2 to 3 harvests in the summertime. It's not perfect, but I'm gonna eat it anyways. Ooh, some yummy salads. Probably the last harvest as they're getting quite stemmy, but they're still good to eat. I just have a couple heads of romaine left. Let's go collect some of this purple basil here for drying. Pinch the tops off to get more. And let me know in the comments if you want to see how I dry them. It's really easy. I got a nice little harvest. Purple basil for drying, salad, and then some snacking stuff.